If you are a Python programmer like me and spend long hours in front of your computer screen, this video can help you immensely. I have developed a meditation application using Python to Kinder library. You can easily use it as a little break while working for a long time. I hope this will give you some relaxation through deep breathing exercises at the same place where you are working. All you need to do is set the time from here as your comfort and click the start button. It repeats 5 seconds of inhalation and 5 seconds of exhalation, one after the other, over and over, until the set time reaches 0. For more convenience, it plays a voiceover of inhale and exhale to inform your current breathing status. Let's check it practically.
Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale.
So, whenever you feel tired, try this beautiful application. It's no matter where you are. For source code, check the description box. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.